In this lesson, we're going to try to find the mean by looking at a stem and leaf plot. So if we have a problem like this that says the stem and leaf plot shows Niall's test scores, use the data in the graph to find the mean of the numbers. So here we have the stem and leaf plot, and this is the key, okay? So the key just tells you how to read this stem and leaf plot. So 9 and 6, for example, this is the stem, this is the leaf, would equal 96. So then let's do this one, for example. 10 and 2 is going to be 102. Okay? So understand that in a stem and leaf plot, the first part of the number is the stem, the last digit of the number is the leaf. So now we could find the mean. The mean is the average of the numbers. The mean is the same as the average, which equals the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So we can read the numbers from the stem and leaf plot, and let's put them all in order, okay? And I'll go through each one with you. The sum of the numbers, so 91, this is 91, 92, this is 92, then this is 96, this is 98, this is 99, okay? Then we go to the next one. 102, 103, 103, 103, 108, and 109. So we're up to here now. Now we're on the next level. So now it's 111, 113, 115, and then 117. So that's these ones here. So you just add them all up together and it equals 1,560. Then how many numbers are there? So there's 15 numbers. You can count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another way to count them is to just count all the leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's another way, okay? So now we just do that calculation to calculate the mean. So we take 1,560 divide by 15 and it equals 104, and that's the mean. Okay, and it's that simple. And don't worry if you don't get that. Repetition, there's nothing wrong with repetition. Practice makes improvement, okay? And then if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along as you watch the video. There's a link in there that'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.